Climate change is drastically altering the pattern and the intensity of rainfall in Nepal. The monsoon now brings more than 80% of the annual rainfall in a period from June to September. The rains are coming in more intense bursts and over a shorter period of time. Floods are becoming more common in Nepal due to deforestation and a stark increase in rainfall intensity.
यो कुलोले मात्रै 250 रोपनी त घर त्यसैमा आश्रित छौं त्यो हामी समाप्त भएका छौं हाम्रो पानीमा कुलामा पानी गएको छैन खेत हाम्रो एउटा हिसाबले अब पसाउँछ कि पसाउँदैन त्यो पनि केही थाहा छैन लगभग 14 घर हामी केही खेतको निमित्त आश्रित थियौं अब यो सरकारले के गर्दियो सर हामीले जनताले के गर्ने हो जनताले गर्नुपर्ने बाँध हालेका छौं बुट्टाहरू रोपेका छौं वृक्षारोपण गरेका छौं कुलो मर्मत सफाई गरेका छौं कसै गर्दा पनि दैवी प्रभावसित हामीले सकिएन.
Agriculture, the main occupation of the people of Nepal, has been severely affected by floods. Floods are threatening local crops diversity out of the few resources that marginal farmers have to cope with the impacts of climate change. Farmlands, irrigation canals, trails and bridges are being lost to floods. Human health is being severely affected in a country with already limited health services in rural areas. In 2006, the heavy flood in mid-western Nepal was followed by outbreaks of diseases including gastroenteritis, eye infection and pneumonia. Local initiatives for biodiversity, research and development, board is raising awareness of communities, local governments and non-governmental stakeholders at the grassroots level. Diversification in agriculture is being promoted as a way for farming communities to adapt to floods. Local flood-tolerant varieties such as Tilki rice are invaluable to affected farmers. Tilki rice is now maintained in farmers' community seed bank and distributed to flood-affected communities. Integrated hedgerow technology is being used in sloping lands to reduce soil erosion and the risks of flood downstream. By choosing multi-purpose plants such as fodder and food trees and legumes in hedgerows, farmers are diversifying income sources, owning more and protecting their soils. In flood-prone areas of Tawai, communities are making houses and stalls and raising the flames of houses. Community insurance for crops and cattle are being initiated in a few districts of Nepal.